ever come to this thing?
Yeah, I know.
They're singing Christmas songs.
Alright, it's 6:15.
Look at that. The red skies. Get rid of all the raindrops
Oh, yeah.
on my lens. Now, before I shoot this, I must make sure it's not... Sorry? Who would ever believe this? Plus, what I should do is I should send this to the local rag. But I don't think I can be bothered.
They don't deserve it.
I'm getting stuff like this, you see.
That's right. That's so romantic. It really picks up the fog. Now, you want me to hold the umbrella?
No, I'm okay. I got it.
Okay. That light up there is amazing. It's really all kinds of stuff, like shadows and
So many people here. It's amazing.